Hey, Midwest Bricker here. Got to run some errands, get the oil changed, get the dog some dog biscuits. So I'm running errands, and I thought, you know what, while I'm out here, I'll just stop in some Salvation Army, some Goodwills, some thrift stores, and I've been preaching this for years. If I'm live on my YouTube channel or I'm a guest on somebody else's channel, like Cat the Nurse Flipper, people talk about thrift stores complaining that the prices are too high, especially Goodwill jacking up their prices. I've said the same thing for years. If you're a full-time business and your income depends on your reselling, don't source at thrift stores. And here I am at a thrift store. That's the last place you should source. You've got online auctions, in-person auctions.
Really? Yeah. Really? That's it. That's it. That's the way it works.
Estate sales.
You get my car. You got your car. You driving my box. You got to get it. You don't get that.
Flea markets. Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, all kinds of wholesale deals online. Thrift stores are a joke. Don't go there. I'm a part-timer, right? I just do this for fun. So if I'm out running errands, yeah, I'll pop in the occasional thrift store. In my area in West Michigan, we got lots of mom and pop thrift stores with great prices. So here's an example. My cousin found a lamp, a $1,200 lamp at Salvation Army. She paid like $8 or $9 for it. So she asked me to sell it for her on consignment. I'll do that for close family. I'm a fair guy. I'm going to split everything 60-60 with her. Right now I have it up on my eBay store for $999. It's got lots of views, lots of watchers. I send out a lot of offers. So far nothing, but this is a lamp created by an artist. I'll put the name up here on the screen somewhere. It's kind of bronze and it's made with seashells, and then it's got some damage, like a missing seashell and a couple little things damaged. So I highlighted that in the eBay listing, even put red circles around the damage just to let them know. But it is signed by the artist. These things sell for hot money. I'll put some comps on the screen, what other ones have sold for. And this is a big one. It's like 18-inch lampshade, or it's 18 inches tall. I can't remember. But there's smaller ones and big ones. The big ones are big money. I'm talking huge money. My cousin has an eye for quality. She was just walking through a Salvation Army. All the lamps there are garbage. They're like hotel lamps and touch lamps and just junk. And she saw this and she thought, this is something special. And she was right. And she bought it. She looked it up. She was all excited. She called me. We decided to split the money. So I hopefully it sells soon because it's worth a ton. So I'm going to jump in here since I'm here anyway, see what's going on at this Goodwill while I'm running errands. So I'm not going to film inside because it's not worth the time, but I'll do some filming possibly when I get home back to the eBay office. Well, that Goodwill store was a giant turd forest. There was nothing in there. Half the store was brand new items. I want vintage old crap. So I'm at my secret honey hole of a thrift store. This is an abandoned, I wouldn't say abandoned, it's an old Meijer store that's been shut down. They built the new one a mile away. And it looks like, I bet at night this is scary, but they let this independent thrift store operate out of here. And let's go outside, I'll show you some footage. So that's what I call a mom and pop. It's an independent one. Tons of stuff. And the nice thing I like about this one is they have food. A lot of local grocers and stores will donate food, snacks. I love snacks. They're either expired or they're going to expire in a couple weeks or a couple months or whatever, but they're super cheap. So I like going there for the food, the snacks, and they got a lot of hardware, a lot of guy stuff. So I'm going to take you along with me. I'm not going to record unless I find something worth buying, because I used to record everything and that's just kind of boring. about 1 million pieces of glass in there. So I'll be in there for a while, and I'll just whip out my cell phone, record some video if it's worth recording. So let's go. That wasn't too bad. In case you're wondering, it's 16 degrees Fahrenheit today. So that spode plate I showed you in the video, it said 17 of them a set for $6.99. I went through that glass section 3 times. I went through the whole store, the non-glass sections. I can't find any of them. So apparently somebody bought 16 and left this one behind just to aggravate me. So I bought it. I brought it to the counter and showed it to her, and she said, how about $1? So I bought it for $1. I wish the whole set was there. That would have been a home run. That's like $150 for the set. But I did get these Tabasco flavored bugles. Salt and vinegar pistachios. And 3 of these pies. I think that's it. So yeah, I got some snacks, got some food, so I won't go hungry. Gotta go down into the other end of town, get some treats for the dog. And there's another Goodwill over there. I'll check that out, and then I'm gonna head home. And this wasn't too bad. I mean, I can always get food here. And like I said, there's like an ocean of glass. I mean, 200 feet of glass, but it is what it is. On to the next adventure. All right, 3rd time's a charm. I don't even know what that means. So this is my 3rd stop. This is another Goodwill. Got some tips from people that there might be good stuff here, so I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna make video back at the homestead in the eBay office. It'll just be here. I'll show you what I found or didn't find. Then I gotta grab lunch and head home, upload this video. So wish me luck. Well, you win some, you lose some. This Goodwill I'm gonna call Turd Ranch. So 3 thrift stores, running errands, got my oil changed. At least I got this spode plate. It's a really sweet plate. Of course, there was supposed to be 17 of them. That would have been a home run, but I can still sell this single plate, no big deal. So SPODE, I'll put a picture up here. Look for that. They make all kinds of stuff. Ceramic teapots, dessert plates, dinner plates, you name it, they make it all. Some are old, some are newer, but they sell just like Villeroy and Box sells. And if you see that seashell lamp, man, if you have to knock people over to get it, get it. Because when that thing sells, you're going to hear about it. Hopefully I get $1,000, but I do send out offers, and sometimes, you know, I get low balls, but when it sells, I'll let you know. So that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up on your way out. Subscribe. I upload all videos, not just home runs, sometimes the bad ones. But I appreciate you being here. I'm going to upload more often. Until next time, see ya.